A review of the process and why we ask for it. Why does CTS ask for the interpreter's check in and out? It verifies that the service occurred. It helps us provide accurate billing to the state. It allows timely payment to the interpreter, which builds good rapport between your office and the interpreters you need. And there's less confusion on the check-in and out times after the interpreter has left. So, when do you check in? At the scheduled start time or when the appointment begins, whichever comes first. So not when the interpreter appears at the facility. You do not have to check the interpreter in early unless the appointment starts early. What about checkout? You do this at the end of the appointment. Even if the patient or provider doesn't arrive, you'll need to check the interpreter out to complete the process. It is important for everyone to be HIPAA compliant. Some facilities use their own self-check-in and out document for interpreters, but sometimes include patient names on this list. Do not expose patient information on self-check-in and out documents. CTS has added the option to write billing notes for each job. You can use this feature when there is any confusion on what to input for check-in and out, or if you've submitted an error during the check-in and out process. You'll want to use this feature because it is convenient for you and it is much faster than calling or emailing CTS. So, how do you input notes? After clicking on the Having Trouble with Your Check-in or Out, Click Here and Tell Us About It link, submit your notes to the billing department. This should never be used for feedback on the interpreter. We'll go over how to do that in a later video. Are you seeing multiple family members but want just one interpreter? Medical providers can schedule this through the portal now. The criteria for the appointment is that all family members must be seen in under 90 minutes, all family members are related, they are consecutively seen, and all are eligible. To schedule one, medical providers should click on the family appointment link of the home page. Complete the form by entering the start date and time, and add each family member individually. You'll split the total duration between each patient and submit the remaining fields. Please review the information before submitting it. Not all consecutive appointments are for family members. To assist both medical providers and social providers, we've allowed a way to create linked appointments or a series of appointments that need just one interpreter of the same language. You can submit a request for a linked appointment by clicking on the linked appointment over 90 minutes on the home page of your portal. This will pull up a PDF form that you can save to your desktop if desired. Some things on the instruction page to keep in mind. You'll need to complete one form for each consecutive job and then print it out. Fax the form to our scheduling department to be created. And finally, be sure to enter your username and signature or it will not be processed. The actual page to request an interpreter asks the same questions as the portal, and you'll be able to type into each field just like you would the portal. Now let's test your knowledge with some Q&A. Why is it important to check interpreters in and out? A, B, C, or D? The answer is B. This verifies services rendered by date and duration. When can you request a family appointment through the portal? A, B, C, or D? The answer is D, when the family appointment is 90 minutes or less. When does an interpreter need to be checked in? A, B, or C? The answer is B. Interpreters should be checked in and out at the requested start time or the beginning of the actual interpretation session, whichever comes first. Are interpreter payments stalled if check in and out is not completed? A or B? The answer is A. Yes. How do you request a linked appointment? A, B, C, or D? The answer is A. Fax into the scheduling department. These forms can be faxed into our scheduling department at 360-314-3075. When would you use the Add Billing Note feature? A, B, C, or D? The answer is D, all of the above. Thank you for taking the time to learn about your portal, but who can you contact if you need additional assistance? For any questions or concerns regarding your portal, the contract, or your account, please contact Client Relations at hcaproviders@ctslanguagelink.com or give us a call at 1-800-535-7358, option 3. For any questions or concerns regarding scheduled appointments, you can contact our scheduling department at hcainbox@ctslanguagelink.com or by phone at 1-800-535-7358, option 4.